So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to utilize AI and especially ChatGPT 4 to basically write your cold emails. It's actually really awesome to write your emails with ChatGPT 4. It's not perfect, but you can just get so much inspiration. So let's jump in. I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. So you do need to get ChatGPT 4. It's because you need to get the plugin. The plugin you need to get is Web Pilot. And then what I did with Web Pilot is I basically asked it to read my website. So I have a website which is marketinghero.com. We link up lead-level marketing freelancers with really cool companies. So if you're looking for an amazing lead of freelancers, definitely reach out to us. There's a link in the description below. But basically, I'm trying to write these cold email campaigns, and I wanted to A/B test different ways of writing it. And normally, it takes me so long to work out how to do this. But with ChatGPT, here's how I would do it, and it's pretty awesome. So firstly, get ChatGPT 4. I don't remember how much it costs, but like $29 or something like that. Then go and down here and plug in store and find Web Pilot. And the reason is Web Pilot can actually read your your website. So here I wrote, can you read website? Yes, Web Pilot. So I said, can you summarize this website? So it just went into it. So now I know that it can summarize it. Then I wrote I put this prompt in the description below, but be an experienced VP of sales of 10 plus years of experience doing outbound messages, which are friendly and personal, which entice people to reply to. Can you write a pitch section if I was trying to pitch people to use our service, marketinghero.com? Keep it short and concise and focus on the main pain points we can help the prospect with. Make it a prospect central, so more about the prospect than about us as the company. So it came up with this. It had a bit too many emojis, but it was really good. Hope this message finds you well. I couldn't help but notice that you're scaling out your marketing efforts at prospect's company. That's exciting. The challenge, finding the right marketing talent, can be like looking for a needle in a haystack, right? Not to mention the time and resources spent. I love that, there's so much here that I can use. Here's the good news. What if you could have a specialized marketer? Why it matters. Imagine focusing on what you do best. Next steps, how about a quick chat to explore? So I love it. It's such a good way. So I wrote then, can you make it even shorter? So, hey prospect, struggling to find the right marketing talent without long-term commitments. At Marketing Hero, we match you with specialized marketers within days, blah, blah, blah. Amazing short way of doing this. So then after I wrote, can you make it sound more like a one-to-one email? And if rewrote it for me, could you analyze my website and write the main pain point? So it literally goes and analyzes the website and comes up with the main pain point, which is streamlined access to marketing talent. I say, great, can you write this in 2 or 3 short bullet points? So it goes quick talent matching, flexible hiring, accountability results. Boom, it's so quickly. So suddenly I can see the main benefits that it's suggesting written in a really good way. I already know the main benefits. I've worked on the landing page, but it's helping me put this in a concise manner. So analyzing our website, what do you think the main USPs are? It goes through, boom, curated talent points, speed and flexibility, accountability, transfer. So I'm getting this information out first, and now I'm writing, taking the USPs and pain points we solve, can you craft a short, concise, friendly email which focuses on the client more than us? Can you add a pitch? So it goes into it, how we can help and all that kind of stuff. So I'm just using ChatGPT to come up with different versions. So I'm having one version which is focusing on the USPs, one focusing on the benefits, and I can rewrite this numerous times. I can ask ChatGPT to rewrite this numerous times. And so, can you write this with less emojis? Boom, he wrote it with less emojis. Could you make this even shorter? Hey prospect, hope you are well. I see you're scaling marketing at X company. Finding the right talent is tough and time consuming, isn't it? We can match you with specialized marketers quickly, offer flexible terms, ensure accountability. Would you be open for a quick call to discuss this? Boom, what a great email to test. And so what I recommend is getting your website and using ChatGPT to just analyze your website. If you've worked hard on your website, then it can be good. If not, then maybe try to work out how to find the benefits, the USPs. And once ChatGPT in the chat has worked out what your USPs are, or your benefits are, and all this other bits of information, you can then ask it to craft based on the fact that, imagine it's a VP of sales with 10 plus years with loads of experience with cold outbound. Can you now craft a friendly email? So I put this prompt in the description below. And what I did is I was like, actually, could you just give me 10 different ideas for this line? and it just comes up with 10 different ways. So I have 10 different ways I can test, so I can go through them and see which ones I want to test. What I'm teaching all the time is make sure you are A/B testing your messaging and use ChatGPT to come up with a bunch of different first liners, a bunch of different pitch, and also call to actions. And from there, you can go off and do that. If you are interested in learning more, I'm trying to put all this stuff into my cold email course. You can check out that course in the link in the description, but I'm going through how to set all this stuff up. So speak to you soon. See you guys soon for another cold email video. I'm going pretty crazy with this because I'm trying to launch and scale Marketing Hero, myhero.com, and I will be putting all this into the YouTube video.